Jai Gurudev. Now, one of the questions I always get is I always land up in the same problem. I'm always like this. Wherever I go, people treat me the same way, or wherever I go, I end up becoming a failure. Wherever I go, I end up meeting the same people who put down on me. I tend to attract the same situation wherever I go. This is a most common problem that I get to ask very often. Now, thought has the power to manifest. Now, whatever we think, it has the energy, it has the power to manifest. For example, I'm sitting on a chair, there is a mic stand, there is a phone. All these things were a thought in someone else's mind. And that thought today is manifested into its physical form. So, whatever we think, we become. So, and therefore, it's very, very essential to have a thought in a very, in a to have the thought flow in a very conducive way. You know, Gurudev always says there is something called Astu Devata. There are devatas, there are angels who always bless us in the moment. Whatever we think, they say Astu. So today let me have an ice cream. So the Astu Devata will say Astu. So whatever we think, we become. So the Astu Devata will bless us, and whatever we think, we become. And thought, whenever we come across some problem in our life, that event has already passed, but the memory of it stays in the system, and we keep churning the same event over and over and over and over. That pattern keeps repeating in our system. So for example, if you had faced some problem 4 years, 5 years back, that problem has left us, it has taught a lesson to us, it has done some good to us, but in the moment we keep reminiscing about the same problem, and then we keep thinking about the same problem. Now what happens in future is, because the pattern is still stuck in the mind, we tend to attract the same problem in the future. Some event has happened in the past, in the present moment we forget that we are free, but we keep thinking about the same problem again and again, and that thought manifests as future event. So we are what we think, so we become what we think. So just yesterday I got a call from one of my friend saying that, oh, in 2 years back I had this problem. So I told him, but okay, but now you're fine. Why do you keep thinking about the same problem and keep blaming that person and that situation? Gurudev says, whoever we blame, whoever we hate, we don't have freedom from them. We think more about our enemy, we think more about negative situation than the positive ones, than our friends. While we eat, while we sleep, while we take bath, we keep doing the same pattern, we keep thinking the same pattern. Now the way to get over this is yoga, meditation, sadhana, being in company of good people. That's why this is called ashrama. Shrama means effort. Ashrama means where things get things we do things without much effort. Without much effort, we have changed. Like 2 years, 3 years, when we do something, some seva in an ashram, or being in the company of good people, sadhana. So without our notice, there is a subtle change in our system. So the way to get over is identifying it, accepting the past. And so also in one of the beautiful videos, Gurudev yesterday said that a sadhaka is one who is in total agreement for what is happening inside. Now, when we accept ourselves as we are, then the outside world, we can accept them too. But when we don't accept ourselves as we are, we tend to throw that our non-acceptance onto people and situations. We project the same non-acceptance onto people and situation around. So the way to get over is yoga, kriya, meditation, knowledge, being in company of good people, and staying in a good place called ashram, like ashram. That's the whole purpose of ashram, where we change without us even noticing it. So this is how this is how the thoughts get manifested into into events, into form, into situations. So identify the thoughts. Now there are two thoughts. One thought which will help in our evolution. The other thought is that will that is harmful to our evolution. So finally, if nothing works, what we do is those thoughts that are very harmful to our evolution that we can't let go, we offer it to Gurudev, we offer it to surrender. So these are the way we can come out of the same repetitive pattern which comes to our life again and again. Jai Gurudev.